Daddy, guess what? Over here. Try over here. Try over here.
Oh my goodness. Wow. That's amazing.
Daddy, I'm the first one to catch a fish. Catch it? What kind of fish is this?
Okay.
Yes.
Have it.
I caught a fish right over here. How many seconds was it? Ow, it's hurting my fingers, so I gotta get out of the way. Alright, bye.
Toss it.
Wait, hold on. You hold it and keep pull. I'm gonna get that fish out.
It's gonna flop. Be careful.
What? You see right there? It's right there. I try fishing again right here. Then you gotta try right there.
Okay.
If you catch one, that means it's our spot.
Come on.
Daddy! What was that?
Yeah.
But why is your boat over there? But pikes don't have spikes, do they?
Nope. You wanna eat it?